Okay, then now let us start with question number 4. When we say that two or more words rhyme, we mean that they end with the same sound or syllable. A syllable means a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound. For example, in water there are two syllables, in Pharaoh there are three syllables. Okay, children, that is with the same sound or syllable. For example, ring, sing. Right? Rhyming words are often used in a verse at the end of the lines. What do you mean by verse? Verse, it is a form of writing that has a specific rhythm to it. For example, poem or a stanza, a group of 4 lines in a poem, that is called a verse. Okay, list the rhyming words from the poem. Now here you have to find out the list the rhyming words like row, fro, go, snow, prance, dance, sun, fun, PC. These are the rhyming words from the poem. Now next is note the words. Now here note the words behind and wind. They have similar spellings, right children? Like BEHIND, behind, WIND, wind. They have similar spelling, that is they look the same, but they are pronounced differently, that is they do not sound the same. This is known as I rhyme. Means I rhyme is based on spelling and not sound. Okay children, that's why it is also called as visual or sight rhyme. Means the words which have similar spelling, that is they look the same but they are pronounced differently, that is they do not sound the same. They are called I rhymes or visual rhyme or sight rhyme. Okay children, now here separate the examples of I rhymes from the following list. Here list of rhyming words are given. You have to separate I rhymes from the given list. Let us go through. Cry, try. Stronger, longer. Laughter, daughter. Known, grown. All are rhyming. Here there is no I rhyme, right? Okay, now come to next. NONE, none. SHONE, shown. So NONE, none. SHONE, shown. Here it is I rhyme because they are appearing same but the pronunciation is different. Beat, feet. Not I rhyme. Next C, SHUT, shut. PUT, put. It is again a I rhyme. Next is WN, one, DONE, done. Okay, now see the last one. IMPLY, imply. SIMPLY, simply. So again this is the I rhyme. So here we get the 3 pair of I rhymes. NONE, none. SHONE, shown. SHUT, shut. PUT, put. IMPLY, imply. SMPLY, simply. Okay. So here I will be giving you more such I rhymes in your I will be giving you such more I rhymes in your PDF, in the PDF format, that you will copy down correctly in your copy. Okay children, more pair of I rhymes. Okay, now we will move to next question number 5. List all the phrases from the poem in which two or more words are joined with and. You have to find out this phrases where they are joined with the help of and. Like children, hither and thither, to and fro, caper and prance, shiver and skip, flipping and flapping and flopping. Just go through and make a list. Next is question number 6. Form groups and discuss what must have happened to the handkerchief. Write the story in your own words. So here it is a kind of writing skill. You have to frame a story and you have to write what must have happened to the handkerchief. Just children imagine and just frame a story, a short story you frame. It's open-ended question. Okay, just do this without fail. You have to do. It will improve your writing skill. Okay, now question number 7 is just an activity. Wash your handkerchief clean. Children, do you wash your handkerchief daily? You should wash it. Okay children, don't give it to your mama. You should wash it daily. Wash your handkerchief clean. Hang it up with a peg to dry in the wind. Watch how it flutters. Try it. Okay children, now you are at home, you can try this. Okay, now we will move to last question. Question number 8. Complete the following comparisons. Here comparisons are given. Okay, now we will just go through. I will give you this answer in writing. We will just go through. Comparisons are given. As white as, any idea? As white as snow, or we can say as white as milk, right? Next is as blue as sky, as green as grass, as black as coal, as red as blood, as bright as sun. Okay, children. So this is a kind of comparison. Okay, where okay, now we will move to next question. Rewrite these comparisons using the comparative degree. You know the three degrees: positive, comparative, superlative. Now this comparisons here, you have to use the comparative degree. Okay, children, understood? For example, it is white. It is a positive degree. You have to make it comparative. Like for white, it will be whiter, and superlative degree will be whitest, right? Okay, now here we will use the comparative degree. Example, whiter. Now for white, whiter than snow. Blue, bluer than sky. Green, greener than grass. Then blacker than coal. Then redder than blood. Brighter than sun. So here we are using the comparative degree like whiter, bluer, blacker, redder. Okay, understood? Okay, now next is find suitable objects for each comparison. Now we have done the comparison. Now we have to find the objects for it. Adjectives we have given. Now we have to find out the nouns for it. For example, for white, which nouns we will use? We can use like petals, flowers. Okay, white flowers, feathers, whiter than snow. Here again two things are compared, right? Petals, flowers, feathers, then snow. You can add more. Okay, now next is for sky. Ocean, ocean blue, or ice bluer than sky. The nouns here we are using for comparison is ocean or ice bluer than sky. Next is for grass. Okay, we have used the grass. Which thing more greener than grass? We can say leaves or moss greener than grass. Okay, right? Next is blacker comparison. Object is coal. So we will write crow or night blacker than coal. Next is for blood, sapphire, a stone, or rose redder than blood, right? Next is last one for brightness we have to compare. Here the object is sun, so we will say stars or light brighter than sun. Understood, children? Now here we did the comparison. Okay, comparison we have used the comparative degree and we have done the comparison between two objects. Understood? You can make more such comparisons using various objects, various nouns and adjectives. Okay, you can increase the list. Understood? Now you have to write whatever I said in this exercise, everything you have to write properly in your copy. Writing skill and the exercise which I will give you in writing and the exercise which we discussed, everything, each and every question you will write properly in your copy. Okay, you have to properly write in your, complete your work in your copy, everything from whatever question we discussed and whatever I will give you in PDF format writing, everything you have to complete in your copy. Okay, children? Okay, now we will stop here. We will meet in the next period. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.